So now I'm going to show you the power series of hyperbolic cosine using the Maclaurin series. So in Maclaurin series, our C is equal to 0. So first, the function of x, which is cosine hx, we will derive it. So the first derivative is sine h, second derivative cosine h, third derivative sine h, and the fourth derivative will be cosine h. So if we substitute 0 in our function, for cosine 0 will be equal to 1, the sine will be equal to 0, and the cosine will be equal to 1, sine h will be equal to 0, cosine h will be equal to 1. So using this formula here, we will just substitute our values in this formula. So first is the f of 0, which is 1, so we will just substitute 1 here. So the second one, the first derivative 0, so it will just be equal to 0, so we will cancel it. And the third one is the second derivative cosine equals to 1, so substitute 1 be x minus 0 raised to 2 will be just x squared over 2 factorial. And the next one is the sine h, so 0 again, we will just cancel. And the next one is the cosine h is equal to 1, so we just substitute 1 again in the fourth derivative of our function. So, and we substitute the x, the c, which is equals to 0, so x minus 0 raised to, the next is the raised to 4, so x to the 4th over 4 factorial, and so on. So as you can see, all of our power and factorial here is in even. So we can come up with this formula that x is raised to 2n over 2n factorial.